Welcome to NUUO NVRmini 2 training video. You are currently in the Emap, Event and Action and Joystick configuration section. On this video we'll learn how to set an Emap, configure events and actions, and how to add and set a joystick. The Emap gives you information of all the locations of cameras and I/O devices at a glance. Following is an introduction of how to create an Emap in NVRmini 2. From the Start menu, select Open Emap. If you log in using an administrator account, you can enable the Edit mode. Click on the map group and then click on Add Map to browse for the new image you want to use as map. Then name it. You can create hierarchical maps of up to 10 layers. For instance, now we add Building A under the city map. Now you can drag and drop the devices on the specific locations on the Emap. By selecting the icon, you can see the preview of this camera and the device information. If you want to remove an icon, right-click it, then select the delete indicator. Finally, click on Upload to save the configuration. The NVRmini 2 is capable of responding to events. The event and action can be defined in the Settings page. Just select the camera, choose the event you want the camera to detect, then choose the actions. NVRmini 2 can trigger outputs, send emails, and send alerts to CMS. In addition to these actions, we're going to see how to set up other notifications in the client part. Let's go back to the client part. Click the General Settings button, go to Notification tab where you can select Show Camera Event to have on-screen display. That way, when an event is triggered, there will be a notification on the screen to draw your attention. You can also select Pop-up Emap on Event. This function lets you know where an event occurs. When the event starts, the camera icon turns red, and then you can immediately see the live view beside the map. What's more, sound too can be triggered by enabling playing sound on event. Likewise, when an event is triggered, it will play a sound to give you an alert. To start the joystick, first plug the joystick into the client PC. Almost all joysticks that can be detected under Windows are compatible with NVRmini 2 system. From the General Settings page, go to the Joystick tab. All the connected joysticks will be listed here. Choose the one you want to configure. Next, you can assign the hotkey function for your commands. For instance, we have defined button 1 and 2 as Zoom Tele and Zoom Wide, and we have a list of other options. Let's define button 3 as Toggle Full Screen, and then click OK. We can see how it works in the live view. First, select the camera you want to control using the joystick. Then, you can use the stick for pan and tilt. Press buttons 1 and 2 to quickly zoom in and zoom out. Also, toggle full screen by pressing button 3. For more information, go to our website at www.nuuo.com.